Hi friends, let me show you this cooling elevated dog bed that I received for the reviewing purposes. It is a really nice unit because you can put it together easily, fast, and it will give a perfect resting place for your pets, okay? You get the user and assembly instructions here. Let's put it together. The pieces have numbers on it, so it makes it easy to put it together. You just have to follow instructions with the numbers that they provide, okay? The actual bed is a nice blue mesh fabric that it's so easy to clean. You can put it in the washing machine. Let's put it together, okay? As you can see, it's great. It's a mesh fabric, so it allows air to go through. So it's a fresh bed for any pet. Let's try it with my dogs. As you can see, a medium-sized dog, a small to medium-sized dog fits perfectly here. And it is elevated. It allows the dog to be not on the floor. So to be like in a nice height, not that much. She can go up and down easily.